After subscribing, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Tap the area above to see your custom workout plan. This plan includes your preferred workout days, goals, available equipment, and even your current stats. Your custom workout plan is comprehensive, featuring a warm-up, the main workout, cool-off. This complete approach helps ensure you not only reach your goals, but maximize your results safely, reducing the risk of injury or physical issues. We also offer an optional AI body scan feature. This advanced tool analyzes your physique to build an even more specifically tailored program dedicated just for you. You can select a photo of your full body, then confirm all your details are correct, such as your age, gender, weight, and height. Afterward, click Start Analysis. Please wait a few moments. Here are the results of your body scan. You'll see your body percentage for essential fat, lean body mass, and beneficial fat. Scroll down for full information, including your total body fat and body mass index, BMI. That's not all. By tapping Adapt Session, you can choose a different session, indicate if you don't have the equipment, and even customize the difficulty and duration of the workout. Let's begin with your warm-up exercises. Before we start, remember you can always adjust the background music, voice guidance, and sound effects by tapping the music icon. Now tap Start Session. Begin your warm-up. The on-screen animations will guide you to properly execute each exercise. Once you're done, just tap the Next button. Remember, resting between sets is crucial to prevent injuries and maintain your strength for subsequent exercises. Always prioritize warm-ups before any workout session. They are essential and should not be skipped. After completing your warm-up, you can now move to the main workout. You'll see all the exercises you need to complete. Tap on Start Session. For weights, just use what feels best for you, without ego lifting or pushing beyond your safe limit. Once you've completed each set, simply tap the check button. Especially in the beginning, prioritize fundamentals like proper body form, correct sets and repetitions, and adequate resting. After finishing your main workout, you can proceed with cool-off session. The process is the same as what you did for your warm-up and workout sessions. After finishing, just click on the next button. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your workout for today. Now, you can provide feedback on your workout experience. Answer honestly. Was it too easy, easy, moderate, difficult, or too difficult? Next, how was your technique or execution of the workouts? Was it not great, okay, great, or excellent? Then, select any exercises you struggled with the most. You can choose as many as apply. Lastly, review the summary of your workout for the day. Great job! Tap the check button. Voila, you're done. Also, if you want to change your personal details or preferences, you can tap here. You can change your age, current weight, training days, intensity, and equipment. That's not all. Want Amazon and Walmart gift cards? By simply completing our daily and custom challenges like walking or running, you can earn these amazing rewards. Let's stay consistent on your journey to a healthier and fitter you.